Hello, good morning. Today I am going to present a new video on essential component of primary health care achieving health for all. So in this video we see component of primary care centers. What is primary care centers and its component in India? Primary care centers contain following component: family physician, health officers, midwives, registered nurses, community pharmacist, social worker, health worker. These 7 components form a health care centers in government sector as well as in private sectors. We see in detail about what is system. Health for all. Maternal and child health, now called reproductive and child health RCH care. Immunization for mother and child, proper food supply and nutrition education, proper supply of safe drinking water, health education to RCH worker, prevention of tuberculosis, malaria, leprosy, goiter, scabies and filaria, proper treatment of injuries and common diseases. So this is the main function of the primary care centers. We see aim of RCH. Aim of RCH is infant immunization and contraceptive is the essential part of PHC, primary health center. It covers antenatal or prenatal care, delivery or postnatal care, postpartum or postnatal care, infant care, family planning care. Antenatal care or prenatal care means care provided to a pregnant lady before the delivery. Parts of RCH: education of couple and community about RCH. RCH provides service to couple during pregnancy, childbirth, post-childbirth, neonate and family planning. Means total concept about pregnancy, labor and after labor complications, management of neonate and family planning. Reproductive and child health care, that is RCH, reproductive health program was given to India during International Conference on Population and Development ICPD meeting Cairo 1994 for human development by WHO, World Health Organization. RCH package cover pre-reproductive adolescent years, reproductive year, contraceptions, legal abortion, effective RCH cares, down rule of 10 cares, risk approach RCH care, effective nutritional education to all, child survival service, prevention and treatment of reproductive tract infection and sexual transmitted diseases, treatment of infertility and other gynecological disorders. This all includes under RCH package. Post-reproductive years, prevention and treatment of genital prolapse, education on menopause, screening and treatment of cervical cancer. So these three topics included in post-reproductive year. Risk approach, RCH care, identification of high-risk pregnancy, labor and neonate with complications and giving emergency treatment. What is low and high? What is low and high risk obstetric cases? Low risk obstetric cases are normal pregnancy, normal labor, normal newborn for safe motherhood and child survival. All conditions are normal. High risk obstetric care cases, complications in pregnancy and labor are separated from all cases. It is referred to obstetrician, and high risk neonates are referred to pediatrician or neonatology. Means complicated cases or high risk cases that also include eclampsia or case of malnutrition, all cases referred to a specialist. Checklist of high risk pregnancy. Maternal height below 145 centimeter, grand multipara, pregnancy before 19 years of age or above 35 years, bad obstetric history, malpresentation and with and twin pregnancy, hemorrhage during pregnancy, anemia with other systemic disorder, hypertensive, intrauterine growth restricted, unplanned pregnancy. These all headings included in checklist of high risk pregnancy. High risk labor, leaking of membranes. In high risk labor, leaking of membranes or tear of membranes. First stage is more than 12 hours. Placenta is retained more than 1 hour. Preterm labor below 36 weeks. Passage of meconium. Soft presenting part on vaginal examination. Unengaged vertex in primipara. Fetal heart rate is above 160 or below 120 per minute. So these all included in high risk labor, including hypertensive proteinuria, high temperature, bleeding per vagina in third or fourth stage. High risk neonate, low birth weight less than 2 kg, Apgar score 4 to 6, respiratory distress, icterus neonatum, unable to take food, convulsion, congenital malformation, all included in high risk neonate. Level of obstetrics care for risk approach, RCH care in India. Obstetric care for rural to urban is given by service delivery as follows. Level first, primary. This constitutes 75% of all birth in a community. There are 6 lakh villages in India. One village contains about 1,000 population. Train die and female health worker take care at village level. High risk cases are referred to PHC or first referral center or community health center or rural hospital, then sub-divisional or district hospital. Sub-center contains 8 to 10 villages. In hilly area, desert area, it covers 3,000 to 5,000 population. Total number of sub-center is 1,32,000 in India. Primary health center at block level, it covers 1 lakh to 3 lakh rural people. Staff in PHC, medical officer, MBBS 1, Ayush 1, ANM 1. Total number of PHC is 22,000 in India. Level second, care provided by rural hospital, sub-divisional district hospital contains obstetrician, anesthetics, pediatrician, laboratory, blood transfusion, MTP and family welfare. All facilities available in level second hospitals. Total number of rural CHC or community health center is 2,500 and about 500 district hospital, 3,000 sub-divisional hospital. Municipal hospital, general government, ESI and other private maternity hospitals are also included at level second. It provides about 20% of all birth. Level third, tertiary care is provided by medical college and teaching hospitals and big corporate hospitals. It caters 5% of obstetric cases. At this level, hospitals are well equipped. Trained die is about 5,50,000, sub-center 1,32,000, PHC level first 22,000, CHC level second 2,500, sub-district hospital 3,000, district hospital 590. This data may vary 1 to 2 plus, 1 to 2%. This is the diagram of trained die who give advice to use gloves for sanitation purpose in rural areas or in villages. Local die. Most delivery in rural areas are handled by untrained dies. The training for dies given for 30 working days. Each die is paid a stipend of Rs 300 during the training period. The training is given at PHC subcenter or MCH center for 2 days in a week, and on the remaining 4 days of the week, they accompany the health worker, female, to the village level. During her training period, each die is required to conduct at least 2 deliveries under the supervision and guidance of the worker, ANM, health assistant. This is few data, rural health statistics in percentage in Northeast. Thank you for watching. You watch and read this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.